Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 8025 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet 8025 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 on one printer. Open that up, and now on this page, go underneath the support category that says software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, you should see a little picture of the printer, by the way, up at the top. But going down to the top or second from the top section below, there should be an installation software and drivers section. Select the Easy Start Printer Setup software for HP and go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file. And you can close out of the web browser at this time. It should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then just give this a moment to install. It might just take a little bit of time to get everything set up and configured here. But like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.